What is up? If you don't know me, probably you don't. My name is Danilo Santana and today we're gonna show you something super cool. My job. We are here in Wayne, New Jersey at this beautiful house. The floors, they are about 1,900 square feet. I want to show you guys before the process and how it's gonna look after we finish the whole thing. Hope you guys enjoy and let's check it out.
Save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my thoughts. 'Cause everything we can see is just a joke, nothing more. Everything we're calling truth suddenly will kill us all. Can't fight the spinning deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fine. But even laugh can make me feel. Can't fight the spinning deep inside.
Let's start.
Wasting time, but it's fine. But even laugh can make me feel. We're the team, selling lies for ourselves, killing in the name of the damn loud. Everything we can see is just a joke, nothing more. Everything we're calling truth suddenly will kill us all. Can't fight the spinning deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fine. And even laugh can make me feel. Can't fight the spinning deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fine. Not even laugh can make me feel.
Woo! The first sanding is done. Let's take a look.
Good, the spin is deep inside of me. Wasting time.
Before we start the second sanding, let's fill some gaps.
Inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fine. Not even laugh can make me feel. Good, the spin is deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fine. And even love can make me feel. Good, the spin is deep inside of me. Wasting time, but it's fine.
Yo, how is it?
Easy, man.
That guy, I love him. I love it.
Working all day, all night 네가 바란 대로 나는 될 거야 rap star. Working for bills 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게 늘어나. Living one life, better life 또 따라오는 사랑은 나 thanks to the God. 한기만은 밭도 넘어지면 다시 일어나서 세상에 충지를 박. 왔던 대로 그냥 하던 대로 스타일 사인 족하고 그냥 막 가는 거지. 이제 말만 하는 워너비들 깔아놓고 수면 위로 하여 위로 올라가지.
How is it?
Easy, man.
아무도 못 보는 이유 난 너무 높아 엎지르지 않는 그 위치. 니들 타고 다닐 거라 switch. Fuck your team now we. EDM world like it 이제 세상이 나를 주목해 watch me. Fuck your game I win. 거꾸로 올라가줘 shit. 반대로 살아난 지지 while waste crochet 눈은 없지 dude.
Another life is all lies, darker other levels of life 나는 더 큰 세상을 사 또 다른 목표로 나는 펼쳐 비행 시간 현실이 나름대로 섞어 머릿속에 내 모습은 겹쳐 나가 떨어지는 나고자는 바로 나요 향기가 나는 랩 게임 아로마에 빠져 정신이 높은 나요 일요일에 니들 발에 닦아르마 종교에 빠져 시신이 높은가요 아니면 달리 그냥 살고 싶은가요 또 아니면 달리 그냥 알고 싶은가요 나도 돼요 빈세이 마음껏 나는 그냥 하고 싶은 대로 살아가는가요
이름 타고 다닐 거라 스워시 Fucker 집 나위 이리에는 뭐다 이제 세상이 나를 주목해 watch me Fucker give I win 거꾸로 올라가죠 street 반대로 살아나지 치와 wake no shade 우린 없지
Wow, what an amazing transformation. I think that was a good before and after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know there's no good lights, good camera, it's not a big production, but it's my first video, I promise it's gonna get better. Don't forget to like this video, and if you want to see more video like this, subscribe, and see you.